YouTube. Oh, I gotta put hand sanitizer on. Alright. YouTube.
Get up on my own, don't need no coach. And I got my own bag, now I feel like a goat.
With the business shit, man. We got a rainy day POV drive. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? I've been waiting to do one of these. I ain't lie. That shit, this ain't. Yeah, that shit is straight. But, yeah. We got a rainy day POV, feel me? You know what I'm saying? Ain't too much explaining, you feel me? Y'all ran the last video up, I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? We almost at whatchamacallit, we almost at 3,000 watch hours. Y'all keep running these videos up, man. And things of that nature, you feel me? But yeah, I mean, I ain't gonna say too much because, you know what I'm saying, I just vibe in the rain, you know what I'm saying, get a little rain sounds. Y'all be watching them little rain videos? Because I don't, but hey, I like the rain. It's soothing. You know what I'm saying? I don't like when it rain all the time because, you know, yeah. Avocados from Mexico. Just had to get gas. 50 ball. Truck right here. As you remind me of already there yet. Y'all seen it. They messed that boy car up. Alright. It's like, let's see something. Picasso. Boom. Alright, I think that's the thumbnail. If it ain't, oh well. I got a fidget light right here. I really just need to get some more. Yeah, I need to get a new set of lights. And I need to get this part done. Like with lights, I need some LED lights to go right there. But, hey, I still ain't bought them yet. I don't even know where. And I still ain't bought my exhaust tips. Hey, December 1st, US-ZEMONE.com. Dropping some hoodies, some crop hoodies, 8 different colors: black, red, blue, green, pink, purple, brown, white. Y'all go type in, man. Y'all go shop. You know what I'm saying? They said that old man is snored. Bumped his head, now he's dead. Whoever made that song is a menace to society. I ain't never heard that song until my little brother sung it like when I was back in like elementary school, middle school or something. If you made that song and you watching this video, I want you to know, hey, I don't even know. I don't know how you came up with that song, but hey. Yeah. Alright. Back in another episode of Mexico. I bet I had to do something. But, you know what I'm saying? You did. I gotta make this turn up here, and I don't know if I want to go around this short, but I'm gonna just stay right here. If I end up getting in the other lane, and then I can't even get back over. Avocados from Mexico. That's the first time I seen a tag on an 18-wheeler. Is that normal? If it is, it's my first time seeing one. I don't never see no tag on an 18-wheeler. Gonna be the end of the video. Actually, I'm gonna try to make this longer. Hopefully it's still raining at the, like, you feel me, you know what I'm saying, later on in the day. But if it ain't, it's gonna be the end of the video. If it's not, I'm gonna pick y'all boys back up later on. You feel me? Well, for me later on. For y'all, I'll pick y'all up in like about 15 seconds. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look good 10, 15 minutes, you know? I said 15 minutes, you know, 15 seconds, you know what I'm saying? Go get your snacks, go get your popcorn, go get your drink, you feel me, you know what I'm saying? You can sit back, lay back, and watch the little POV, you feel me? Yeah.